So today I'm going to teach you about basic tasks with text using MS Word, specifically MS Word 2013. So first, let's get the sample text like that. So this one, P. So I'm gonna teach you on how to copy, paste, cut, insert, delete, and select. First, how to copy. So highlight the text you want to copy. Highlight. Then right click. In the option, you can see the copy button. So click. Or you can use the shortcut, which is Control C. So if you want to paste the copied text, just so right click your mouse, then there's a three option: the keep source formatting, merge formatting, and the keep text only. So we're gonna be using keep source formatting, or shortcut, which is Control V. So let's try the next one, which is how to cut. First, highlight the text you want to cut, then right click and choose cut. Or you can also use the shortcut, which is Control X. So like that. The next is how to insert. So place your cursor anywhere in your document you want to insert. Like for example, I want to insert a word here, edition, like that. Then I'm gonna type. Then you can start typing. Make sure like that. Or you can, if you want a text to be entered, just highlight, then drag it to the place you want to insert. Like for example, I want to insert a text here like that. Then how to select, how to delete. Highlight the text you want to delete, then you can use the backspace key or the delete key, like that. Or you can use it manually. Then lastly is how to select. So it's so simple. Just highlight the text you want and you can cut, copy, delete, or insert it. Yeah, this is select. So these are the basic tasks with text using MS Word.